Welcome back. Now, because our audio has a spacing issue, we can correct most of the issues with the audio inside of an audio or video editor. We can use Audio Editor or Audacity, or we can use Video Editor Camtasia, or we can use Video Editor CapCut. We're going to download the audio. We're going to open up an earlier version of Camtasia, and we're going to bring the audio into the timeline. We're going to add the audio to the timeline. And one of the things you'll see is that we can see on the timeline where there's a gap in the audio. So for example, if we go to this point, it's likely that we have one of our spacing problems here in this area.
Your content will attract an audience. Script writing.
So we can see where our problems are, and we can shorten the gap in our audio with our editor. So instead of regenerating the audio, what we're going to do is we're just going to shorten all the gaps inside of our video editor, and we're going to make sure that the gaps are short and that the audio reads consistently. We're going to stop the video here. What we're going to do is go ahead and clean up all of the gaps, and then we're going to recreate the audio. We can also find a place in the recording where we can clean up where the script said conclusion and call to action, and we're just going to edit out call to action. So now we've cleaned up all of the gaps inside of the audio. We're going to reproduce or re-render the audio as a new recording. Now we're going to render the new audio.
Is a great way to share your knowledge and generate income.
And we are now ready to use it inside of our video creator. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.